Okay, we are now recording.
Okay, hey everyone, welcome to the November 3 edition of the Presto TSC meeting. So we have two agenda items today. One is an update from the Technical Steering Committee, TSC, and Foundation as well, and the other item is about the update from the Outreach Committee by Dipti. And we can also get ad hoc agenda items if you have any. So I will start with the TSC and the Foundation update. So a recent update that you may heard of is Upsolver, a startup who is building a data lake management infrastructure, has recently joined the Presto Foundation. And they attended the last governing board meeting. Currently, I don't see anyone from Upsolver here, but you can basically go to their website if you're interested to see, like upsolver.com, to see what technology they are building. So welcome, Upsolver. So it's great to see that we are growing our member base in the Presto Foundation. So that is one update. The second update from the TSC is we have recently voted a proposal on a charter change about the committee, about separating the roles of a committer and the TSC member, similar to how Apache Software Foundation implements their PMC and committer in their governance model. And so basically the proposal is a small one. It is pull request number 5 in the TSC repository. You can go take a look at it, and it has been approved by everyone in the TSC. So we are gonna merge that pull request closely and then close the voting session closely. So thanks everyone for voting. So we discussed this in our last TSC meeting, so I don't want to go into the details of that proposal, but basically at a high level, it separates the role of a committer and the TSC member. And please take a look at it. It is, like I said, it's pull request number 5 in the prestodb/TSC repository. And if you have any questions, you can just comment on the pull request. And having said that, like, these are my updates from the TSC front. I think we can turn to Dipti for outreach updates. Dipti.
Thanks, Nazi. Hi, everyone. One of the updates on my list was the Upsolver edition as well. So thanks for mentioning that. So we're excited to bring in new members to the foundation. This is something that many folks from the foundation have been working on. There are other discussions going on as well. And we want to make this a foundation, an open foundation, so that others like Upsolver can join in and participate. Upsolver will be part of the outreach committee as well. And we have 2 members who will be working with us on it. And so we're looking forward to getting them involved, more hands to make Presto DB successful. A couple of other updates on the outreach front. We are back to our meetup schedule, which is our monthly schedule for that we've been following. And we have a meetup this Friday that is where Uber engineers as well as AWS and Ahana team will be presenting. There's 2 tech talks. And we'll have the last one of the year will be December. And we'll wrap up the year for meetups. The meetup group itself has grown significantly. We are at 800 members now. For the meetup group, and it's very exciting to see the involvement and engagement and interest in Presto DB. So that's on the meetup front. In terms of the overall outreach team planning, the next 6 months is something that we are looking forward to, and we will be discussing in our committee meeting this week plan for the next 6 months. We'd like more engagement from all the members. And we'll have a proposal for subcommittees in different areas that will be that we'd like to propose for making going beyond what we're doing already, and perhaps even looking at a mid-year event next year, given the success of PrestoCon. So those were the updates on the outreach committee front. Stay tuned for the 6-month plan and proposal. We'll in the next meeting. I hope that we have agreement on the outreach committee, and then I'll go ahead and present it to the TSC at the next meeting. Gail, Nazi, or anyone else? Any questions from you guys?
Nothing from me.
Yeah, thank you, Dipti. Any questions about any of these updates?
One thing I wanted to bring up is I would encourage the TSC, the committers, contributors to publish more content. We are working on several new blogs, working with the community. But just a reminder that it would be great for, as you are working on new features, new PRs, big changes, do keep in mind that it's a great way to get the community more engaged. And so please work with me, Amit, Nazi, Gail, others, if you need help with that. It's all based out of it's PRs of the PrestoDB website itself. And so it would be great to get more content going. We have a content role, a blog role, and one of the subcommittees that we want to kick off is essentially to have more content that's brought into PrestoDB and the website. All right, back to you, Nazi.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dipti, for the updates. So we have covered the two updates from the TSA and the Outreach Committee. Does anyone have any other items to discuss? Because I don't see any items on the TSA repository. So if anyone wants to bring any items, it's the time for that. Okay, so sounds like no one has any other agenda items. It was a quick one, and I think we can wrap it up here. So thank you everyone for joining, and thanks Dipti for the update. And until next time, like in the next month, we'll see each other again. Until next time, please take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.